Hi ladies, okay, so it's my birthday today. I am 28 years old, which sounds so weird saying, but yeah, so it's my birthday and I've been spoilt rotten this year. Matt bought me a Michael Kors watch. I'll have to show you upside down, but it's so sparkly. Look at that, so sparkly. Charlie's in that like mine stage at the moment, so like all of the birthday cards that were mine were apparently his. Charlie, have you got a balloon? Birthday girl, Daddy got it. We're yet to do the cake. We're yet to do the cake yet, but I managed to put a full face of makeup on. This is what I did with my eyes today. I did kind of like a rose pink and then like a brown here, and I did my eyebrows myself. And I just got a little bit of like Urban Decay foundation and Benefit bronzer and a little bit of highlight on my cheeks, and just, yeah, I feel really good. So tomorrow is our scan, and to be honest, I don't know how I feel. I am in two minds. I'm either everything's gonna be fine, or I've got another miscarriage. That's like the only two options that I've got at the moment. So yeah, I'm a little bit worried about that. But yeah, at the moment, fingers crossed, everything seems fine. I'm not bleeding. My HCG levels are, you know, fine. So yeah, I will be updating you guys tomorrow, and I will bring you along with me for that. But hopefully we're going to do the cake in a little bit, and I'll see you then.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
To kill you. Don't blow it out.
Got it?
Yeah. Good morning, ladies. Oh, don't worry about your hair. Mine's greasy. You excited about today?
Yeah.
You're not getting a new laptop, right? So Matt, we had this thing where we were tickling the kids on the bed, and the laptop fell off and it's like broken. I'll put a picture in right here. So basically Matt thinks that he's entitled to a new laptop, which is like 1,200, but I said you could probably get it fixed for like £200–300, so just do that. But he, in his head, is like, no, I'm getting a new laptop. Now I accidentally clunked this one's head against the wall earlier, didn't I? Oh, my little sad sushi roll. Oh. I was just carrying him on my hip whilst I had his cereal in my hands, and he was kind of like flailing like this, and he cracks his head on the corner of the door frame. I'm sorry, baby bear. Okay, so we're just going to drop the kids off at school. Say hi, ladies.
Hi, ladies.
You okay?
Yeah.
Did you do good writing this morning?
Yeah.
Good boy. So yeah, guys, we're going to go for the scan after we drop the kids off at 10:30. So at the moment, I'm kind of feeling like it's going to be another miscarriage, and I will be, you know, quite surprised if there's a heartbeat. I'm just not feeling positive. Matt thinks that I'm being like a completely negative Nancy, but I don't know. I guess I've just like not let myself go there in the fact that like about getting excited and stuff. So. Hi ladies. Okay, so I didn't vlog just before we had the scan because I was just really nervous and kind of like a bit negative, but everything is fine. She did the abdominal scan first and she was just going to go with that, but to be honest, I was so uncomfortable. I was so uncomfortable from the actual scan where my bladder was so full. So I asked her to do the transvaginal. I signed a piece of paper to say I was happy. Got some amazing photos and there's a heartbeat and everything. I will show you. Look! And look, you can see the brain there developing. It's such a little wriggler. Like, it wriggled so much. And I didn't realise that they could, like, move. I thought they were, like, still attached to, like, the little yolk sac or something. But, no, this one was moving. I saw little buds of arms and legs. And, oh, so cute. So yeah, I'm really, really happy. We're just going to go get some lunch now because I'm starving, but I just wanted to update you guys. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye ladies!